Hey there, how are you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to swing the leg through from downward facing dog to a lunge so that you can come up and do warrior one or warrior two, whatever pose you're going to flow into, or even a kneeling warrior, right? So there's definitely a few things that you can do to make this easier. There's also some things that you want to watch out for. So first of all, let me just show you what eventually maybe it could look like, okay? Doesn't have to. It doesn't mean that you're bad at yoga if you don't ever focus on things like this, right? But eventually, in theory, from your down dog, you could either bend your knees or you could lift one leg up. So we'll inhale here and then exhale, round the back, bring the foot in between, right? Looks easy enough. Now, there's definitely some factors that are going to make this easier and some that are going to make it harder. So some things that can make it harder is, if you have a larger chest or you've got a little bit more of a tummy, whatever, that can make it harder. It also depends on, like your arm length and different things like that. So please don't be mad at yourself if this does not come easily, because it doesn't for a lot of people, and it's not necessary to make you good at yoga. Okay, so some things that you want to watch out for when you are trying to do this correctly, when you're trying to do it like how I did it, right? I don't want to say correctly necessarily. So whenever you're bringing the leg through, some things that you want to watch out for are lifting the heel of the hand. So I bet that you don't even notice that you do that. But when you try it, notice if you lift the heel of the hand in order to bring the foot through. Okay, the next thing that you want to watch out for is swinging the leg out to the side. So this is another common thing that people do to get into position. Okay, so how do you not do those things? Well, it's a lot of Uddiyana Bandha. It's a lot of core strength. Okay, so some things that you really want to focus on when you're bringing the foot through. Watch how much I round my back and kind of draw the navel towards my spine. The other thing that you do is really push into the hands and kind of round even the shoulders. So not only are you rounding the spine like that, but you're rounding the shoulders and really kind of bringing them away from each other. Okay, so watch me. All right, so yes, you can bring it halfway through, grab it, and bring it in front. That's fine. But I'm just trying to teach you how to eventually bring it through without lifting the heel of the hand and without bringing the foot around. So how do you get better at, my hair is driving me crazy. How do you get better at creating that shape with your upper body? Well, you could do things like this. You could be here, round, knee to the outside of the arm. I'll do it on this side so you can see better. So inhale up. Exhale, round, round, round. Try to bring the knee up towards the armpit. Inhale up, exhale in. Okay, so you could do some things like that. You could also do things like this. That'll help. And then, of course, things that are going to help to round the back. So maybe like rabbit pose. Okay, or even here. So cat pose. Right? Round. So really focusing on navel towards the spine. All right, so I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions about this, and I'll definitely try to give you some more tips and tricks, but I hope that this makes it much, much easier for you. All right, good luck. Woo! All right, yay, and thanks guys for watching. Hey Charlie, how are you? Yay. So I edit this video and then use it somewhere else. I might put it in my yoga teacher trainings actually, Charlie, so you'll have it. But yeah, just let me know in the questions, you guys, if you have any other questions. Give it a try and see if it works and see if any other questions pop up after you give it a try. All right, see ya. Bye.